IDL is the latest reiteration of the company. We started out as a wine company in 2017, Idle Wine Co. Wine was our sole and total focus, 100% of our production. Over the last 7 years, we've changed that to actually take on more cider, RTD and spirit production. We originally started with just 2 bottling lines, which suited our needs perfectly for the wine industry. But as we transitioned into those RTDs and ciders, we actually needed to find a solution into the canning space, and that also led into doing kegs as well for some customers. When we put in our second canning line, which is our high-speed canning line, we really wanted to have the maximum amount of flexibility at the back end, which was very, very manual. We had staff packing into wraps and then taking those wraps, putting them to cartons onto pallets. What we needed to do in order to increase the efficiency down that line was to actually increase the automation of it.
The solution for this project really was central around some conveying from the filler to the WestRock machine. So this included single file can conveying into mass flow and then directly in 2 lanes to feed the WestRock multipacker. From there, the multipacks of 4 or 6s transfer into the Fibre King WAP 25 case packer, and from here it goes to the CMP Palletiser where the cases are palletized. Fibre King try to understand all the details behind a project before we put forward any solution. So we will look at what sort of products we're running, at what rates and what space constraints we have to work within, and then we will develop a solution fit for purpose. In this particular project, all the equipment was designed in such a way to fit a very small footprint space at the required rates.
We're running 330, 355 and 375 mils. The WestRock machine that we have there is able to do 4s, 6, 8s and 10 packs. And the Fibre King products are able to pack those into 16s, 24s and 30 packs. We've actually taken away a lot of the manual work that was involved within the packing of the pallets and of the palletising as well, and the actual packing of the cartons. So what Fibre King Solutions have allowed us to do is actually remove a lot of the manual handling of our staff and increase the efficiency of that back end. What it has allowed us to do is actually increase the filling speed of the packaging line. So we were originally doing 4,800 cans per hour. We've actually been able to take that up to an average of 10,000 cans per hour with this solution. By increasing our efficiency, we're actually increasing the amount of hours per line that we actually have in the packaging hall, which means there's more availability to actually pack our customers' products. Yes, we'll be able to scale up, but we'll also be able to look and flex to different can formats, 330ml sleeks, 250ml slims, and I think as those requirements from our customers need to be filled and we move away from our smaller line, this line will be able to deal with those. We had quite a detailed list of requirements that we wanted to look for with a partner like this. Fibre King were incredibly solutions focused. So we knew what we wanted, we knew where we wanted to put it. We needed to find a partner that was able to deliver exactly what we wanted into the space that we needed as well. The solution that Fibre King came up with was perfect for all our requirements. It's not an easy space to work in from size-wise. It's also previously been a cool room. So all the floors, all the angles, all the drains were in places that weren't difficult to actually place the machine. So their ability to actually meet those needs of ours and actually integrate it with a WestRock as well as our filling line was fantastic. We like working with Fibre King because of the amount of communication. Two-way conversations on what we actually needed and then their ability to deliver on those needs. We'll continue to build up our capability and our back-end capability as well as continue to move away and branch out into other spirits, ciders, RTDs, as well as continue to increase our wine capacity.
It's really fulfilling to come up with a solution that meets the needs of a particular manufacturer and then see that equipment come to life and deliver on those expectations consistently.